In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales pipeline in Attio. Start by opening Attio and heading to the home area. From here, we'll build the structure that tracks every opportunity from first touch to outcome. Go to Lists and click the plus icon to add a new list. Lists are flexible collections of records in Attio. They act like saved workspaces where you define what you're tracking, the fields you care about, and how you want to view and organize everything. When prompted, choose Start from Scratch for this example. Starting from scratch gives you full control over fields, views, and stages. If you prefer a faster kickoff, templates provide pre-built structures for common workflows, but today we'll customize our own. Next, choose Deals, since a pipeline is fundamentally a list of opportunities you're working. Give your list a clear name. Type Sales Pipeline so everyone on your team instantly knows its purpose, and then click Create List. For the view, select Kanban. Kanban displays your deals in columns by stage, letting you drag opportunities forward as they progress. It's visual, simple, and excellent for daily stand-ups. Add a title to your board to clarify scope. Type SMB Sales for this example. Now create a new status value called New Sales and confirm. This status becomes one of the values that drives your Kanban columns. Let's build the stages. Click the plus icon to add a stage named Lead. This is where brand new opportunities land. Keep stage names short and mutually exclusive so it's always obvious where a deal belongs. Add another stage called Qualification. Use this to confirm fit, budget, and timeline before investing more time. Add Discovery Call to capture insights from your first real conversation. Then create Proposal Sent for when pricing and scope go out. Add Negotiation to track active back and forth on terms. Next, create Contact Review for the final review step before a decision. Add Closed Won for successful deals, and finally Closed Lost for those that don't move forward. Placing Closed Won and Closed Lost at the end keeps outcomes clear and reporting clean. With your pipeline structure ready, click Add Deal to create your first opportunity. Name it Web Design for this example so you can see how deals appear on the board. Click Add to List. Your new deal will show up in the first relevant stage, and you can drag it to the next column as progress is made. That's the complete setup. Keep stage definitions consistent, review your pipeline regularly, and refine as your process evolves. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.